Most AI coding videos on YouTube are polished, the prompts work perfectly, the code compiles on first try, and the project is finished within minutes. This series is not that. I'm going to build a full-scale Business Central webshop integration using AL code and the Azure stack, entirely assisted by AI, but I'm leaving the filters off. You're going to see the hallucinations, you're going to see the logic errors, and you're going to see exactly how I debug a complex ERP integration when the AI gets it wrong. The goal is simple. We need a robust integration for Business Central Webshop. We'll be writing AL code, setting up Azure resources, and tying it all together. But the way I'm going to do this might be a little bit different than what you're used to. First off, let's talk about the elephant in the room. I am not going to use GitHub Copilot for this. Don't get me wrong, Copilot is a great tool. But when you're doing heavy architectural AI work, generating massive blocks of AL code or complex Azure configurations, you run into something called fair usage policies. Basically, if you push it too hard, they throttle you. You run out of fast tokens, you get slowed down, and you're stuck waiting for a reset. In a real workflow, I can't afford that bottleneck. That is why I'm using OpenRouter. It's a pay-as-you-go model. I pay for exactly what I use, which means I never run out of tokens. If I need to burn through 1 million tokens to solve a hard problem, I can do that without hitting an invisible wall. To drive OpenRouter, I'm using an extension called Rucode. This isn't just a chat window, it's an autonomous coding agent. The killer feature here is the multi-agent workflow. We aren't just talking about one bot, we have an orchestrator. Think of him as the project manager. The orchestrator breaks down the plan, it then hands off tasks to a coding agent to write AL syntax or debug agent when things break. I can even build my own custom agents if you get stuck on something specific for Business Central. It's like having a dev team inside VS Code. So here's the deal. I'm going to record my screen. I'm going to share the workflow as it happens. If the AI hallucinates a table that doesn't exist in BC, you'll see it. If Azure rejects our deployment, we'll fix it together. This is about learning how to actually work with AI, not just showcasing a magic trick. If you want to see if AI can actually handle a real-world Business Central project, scars and all, hit the subscribe button. Let's get to work.